In today's video tutorial, I'm really excited to share an application that we've never talked about before, and of course, I'd like to share it with you, because the method that I'll be showing you today can actually make over $700 to a shocking $900 income. This app is available for both iOS and Android, and it's totally free to download. I'm going to show you 3 different apps, the first 2 of which will pay you to install them so you can maximize your results and make as much money as possible overall, including the last one I'll be showing you. The first 2 apps will help you earn some passive money for free because, as I previously stated, you only need to install them, so I'll show you those 2 apps first, and then I'll show you the third app that we have never discussed before, and it will pay you $1,000 for free. Let's jump right into the video so that I can explain everything. Before I show you the app that will actually pay you, I just want to show you some other apps as I said at the beginning of the video, so in total, I'm going to show you 3 different apps in this video, so to be clear, I'll be discussing everything in parts. The first part of this video introduces various paying applications. I will never do anything. All you have to do is install them, leave them alone and do those things. Next, you can focus on the last application that shows where you can make more than $500. But first you need to mention these 2 free apps that generate passive income. Yes, that's right. The first 2 apps will incur charges without you having to do anything. Just install it and we will introduce you to the third app. This will give you over $700 for free. This third app is the biggest part, so it's highly recommended to watch the entire video so you don't miss anything. As I said before, I haven't mentioned this on this channel. So surprisingly, this is the first app to use. This is the official website, but of course you just install it directly on your device. Basically, this is free software that allows you to make money automatically online by letting the system and consumers create SMS. Simply download it to your smartphone and create an account and it will send you a random SMS message that you don't need to reply to. They send you a new text message, and as I said, you get rewarded for every message you receive, so you basically come here and how it is. You can read more about what works for, but this only works for Android. The following apps work on both iOS and Android, so keep an eye on them. Again, this only works on Android. So if you are using an iOS device this will not work, your application is exclusive for Android only, as only Android allows you to read SMS. Now all you have to do is install the app and wait for payment. And this is how much they tell you about how secure the application is. Their app doesn't read any of your data, so they won't sneak around your private messages or use any of your data to steal information or whatever. They'll only read their own text or SMS. It's safe. I've done a lot of research on this application, and people are talking about how much money they're making with it. Of course, they love how the system works because, as you can see, it's all automated, so you can earn money with the app without having to do anything, and they also have a pretty wonderful recurring program where you can earn 30% of your referrals profits. So if you connect a buddy to this app or website and they join up and start making money, they'll want to refer another friend and they'll earn $200, and you'll get $60 for free passively. Now you'll be earning passive income from them, so yes, there are a lot of different ways to make passive income with the Money SMS app, and of course, this is completely free. You won't have to pay anything because it will always be free, and you can learn more about how it works by signing up and receiving automated text messages. These are examples of what they look like on the dashboard. This is a referral code for sharing with friends and family, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Create a Facebook group, you can even share it with various online money. You can also earn passive income from referrals by posting a referral link after telling them that you can earn passive income from this app. As you can see, the Money SMS app is legal and takes all national affairs seriously to ensure compliance with the latest GDP or privacy policy requirements. If you're not sure if you're paying users, you can see the payment proofs of many users on a separate website. Reviews of these companies can read more about this on this website and see that people are actually making money. This website has received, and as I said I did a lot of research, this site works absolutely, and the site we are trying to use is called Money SMS app or this site moneysmsapp.com it will be. Before elaborating, subscribe to the channel and if you've enjoyed the video before, please rate it. And if you find this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. The following programs that you can use to earn free passive money are called Cash Magnet or cashmagnetapp.com that you install on your Android smartphone. This only works on Android, but please be patient as the last application pays and is accessible on both iOS and Android. So basically you receive money from your Android phone, and when you're not doing anything they pay you every minute of that time. As you can see, Cash Magnet combines all the best reward programs you want to play, so you literally don't have to do anything. This program allows you to pay much more than the Money SMS app. Basically, you're moving from the lowest priced app to the highest priced app, so you can know more and don't have to do anything, so you can watch ads, play games, and be completely passive and completely passive. You can make money autonomously. You can sleep, eat, exercise, go out, read the news, whatever you do every day, but you can get paid by installing this app and leaving your smartphone alone. You don't have to do anything else. With the, you can prepare to earn many times and buy a brand new phone that can be used 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in just 3 months working at Cash Magnet. So do thousands of happy users. You can buy a brand new phone 3 months after use. It is completely secure and has no access to data or personal settings. Make money without doing anything with your phone. Learn more about what the Cash Magnet is and how Cash Magnet can help you make money when you're not using your phone. You can make money passively just by throwing away your phone and installing the app. If for some reason you don't want to install this on your main phone, you can now install it on your old backup phone. Now, before I introduce you to the last app, the big app worth over $700, I'll show you how to install it on your old spare phone. This is the app I'm going to use. I'll tell you the app name soon, but yes, this pays over $700 and you can only hear from $700 to $900 a year music. All you have to do is download it to your iPhone or Android phone, and it is available on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. It's incredibly easy and very exciting as you get paid just by listening to music. Just download the app, listen to music and earn points. The more you play, the more money you can make. Basically, you get rewarded for listening to music in your free time, so search, play from hundreds of thousands of songs and stations to find and listen to your favorite music. It's very easy, you just get paid later. You don't have to listen to songs or genres you don't like from SoundCloud. You can get rewards even if you actually listen to your favorite music. Obviously, you already listen to a lot of music every day, but now you can get paid for it. You can play your favorite music to earn points, spend points on your favorite brands and more. As you can see, it is available in many countries on this list, and you can download the app to your smartphone to make money. In this case, the app name is actually Current.us, the website name is current.us, and the logo looks like this. To find the latest apps, go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search. And that's it. If you like similar content like this, check out the other videos. Press the like button to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment below. See you in the next video.